Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry for NEET PG. First, understand that biochemistry is a high-scoring subject if approached correctly. We will cover essential topics, effective study methods, and crucial revision techniques to help you achieve a high score. This guide aims to make your preparation manageable and even enjoyable, transforming a potentially daunting subject into one of your strongest areas for the exam. Let's begin your journey to mastering biochemistry. When studying biochemistry for NEET PG, prioritize high-yield areas. Metabolism, encompassing carbohydrate, lipid, and protein pathways, is absolutely essential. Molecular biology, including DNA replication, transcription, and protein synthesis, also carries significant weight. Don't overlook clinical biochemistry and its diagnostic applications, as these are frequently tested. A strong grasp of enzymology and its regulation will provide a solid foundation for many questions, ensuring you cover the most important aspects. To study effectively, employ active recall by quizzing yourself regularly. Spaced repetition is key for long-term retention. Revisit topics at increasing intervals. Make solving multiple-choice questions a daily habit, aiming for at least 200 to 300 weekly to understand question patterns. Create concise notes and flowcharts for quick review, especially for complex pathways. This approach ensures you are not just passively reading, but actively engaging with the material, solidifying your understanding. Consistent revision is paramount for biochemistry. Dedicate specific time daily and weekly to review previously studied topics. Taking full-length mock tests is crucial to simulate exam conditions and improve your time management. Thoroughly analyze every incorrect answer to understand your weak areas and prevent repeating mistakes. During the actual exam, maintain a positive mindset and manage your time efficiently, ensuring you attempt all questions strategically. This comprehensive approach will maximize your chances of success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.